Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to configure a BT router. First, find a suitable location for your router, ideally near your main phone socket. Plug the power adapter into the router and a wall outlet. Next, connect the gray DSL cable from the router's DSL port to your phone line's master socket. Wait for the router to power on and for the broadband light to turn solid blue, indicating a stable connection. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth configuration process. Now, let's access your router settings. Connect a computer or mobile device to the router, either wirelessly using the Wi-Fi details on the sticker or directly with an Ethernet cable. Open your web browser and type the default IP address, 192.168.1.254, into the address bar. You'll then be prompted to enter the admin password, which is usually located on a pull-out card on the back or bottom of your BT router. Once logged in, it's time to personalize your Wi-Fi. Look for the Wireless or Wi-Fi Settings menu. Here, you can change your network name, also known as the SSID, to something memorable. More importantly, update your Wi-Fi password to a strong, unique combination of at least 8 characters. This significantly enhances your network security. After making these changes, remember to save them, and then reconnect all your devices using the new Wi-Fi credentials. Finally, you might want to explore advanced settings, such as port forwarding for gaming or setting up parental controls for family safety. It's also a good practice to regularly check for firmware updates within your router's interface, as these can improve performance and security. Remember, a well-configured router provides a stable and secure internet experience. For other helpful tools, like those amazing leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, check the description below for links and other great deals. Enjoy your optimized BT router.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.